Hi, in this video we are going to see the DRDO recruitment notification, guys, that is from Defense Research and Development Organization. And here the candidates who are having only post graduation in the respective disciplines, whatever I'm going to show now in this video, you can apply for this post, guys, and you are going to get 31,000 rupees per month. And for the selection process here, there is no written examination, guys. Directly you can attend for the interview, and it is a walk-in interview. So walk-in interview means anybody with this qualification can able to attend the interview, guys, and there is no scrutiny here. And based upon your performance in the interview, they are going to select. And application fee is also zero, and there is no written test, guys. So it will be the wonderful opportunity, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in the respective disciplines or the subjects. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, the Unacademy is providing the complete course on paper 1, that is the teaching and research aptitude. Okay, so this course started on the 9th June onwards, guys. All the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video, and the details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the Defense Research and Development Organization. So from this website here, you have to go to the careers, and you may check down the first one. So walk-in interview for award of research fellowship as junior research fellow in ITR Chandigarh, Chandipur. And here this notification came on 15th June 2021, that is yesterday, and the last date to apply for this one is the 9th July 2021. Okay, so if you want to get the details regarding this one, just click on this advertisement and application form, and then you will be directed to this notification, guys. So here integrated test range ITR, and the telephone number as well as mail ID is also given here. So after going through this notification, if you are having any queries regarding this one, then you may contact this number or else the mail ID, guys. And it is from Balasore. So walk-in interview for award of research fellowships as a junior research fellow, and integrated test range, premier laboratory of Defense Research and Development Organization invites applications from young and meritorious Indian nationals for award of research fellowship as per the details given below. So coming to the JRF, BU or BTech in first division with valid GATE score, that means education, qualification and experience. Here the experience is not mentioned, guys. Okay, only educational qualification is enough. If you are having the BU or BTech in first division with a valid GATE score, then you may apply. If you don't have the GATE score, then you must have the ME or MTech in the first division in both the graduate as well as the postgraduate. Okay, that means with only post graduation, without having any type of UGC NET or CSIR NET or the GATE. So you can apply for this one, guys. If you have PG in the departments computer science and engineering or information technology, electronics and communication engineering or electronics and telecommunication engineering or electronics and instrumentation engineering or applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, okay, AE and I. So if you belongs to any one of these departments, then you apply, guys. And here coming to the number of vacancies, so in the computer science and engineering or information technology, only one vacancy is there. And coming to the EC, ETC, E&I, AE and I, total 4 vacancies are there. And the date of interview will be intimated later to the shortlisted candidates only. Fine. And how to apply means, here the points are mentioned. Interested candidates with qualification as above are invited to send applications form in PDF. He is also available at the website, guys, in soft copy along with certificates and testimonials at hrd@itr.drdo.in. That means whoever the interested candidates are there, you have to take the as per your qualifications. Okay, the PDF is available in the official website, so you have to download that PDF and fill up the details whatever they are asking, and then scan that one. Okay, and then along with your certificates, you just make that one into one complete PDF and send that one to the to this provide mail ID. Fine. They have to superscribe the subject in block letters, application for the post of JRF. It is important for the candidates to submit their application form and supporting documents as an attachment in a single PDF only. Okay, and then the application form should be typewritten and scanned as PDF after signature. Handwritten applications will not be accepted. Okay, it is the most important point, guys. Okay, so here the application forms you can download, okay, by clicking on that one. So whatever the application form is there, see guys, at the end the application form is attached. Okay, uh, convert this PDF into Word document, guys, and then here everything you have to type. Okay, that means full name in block letters. You should not write with your own handwriting. You have to type all the details. Okay, if you are filling up with your own handwriting, then that one will not be accepted. Okay, so you have to type everything and then take the printout. Okay, and then scan that one, or else if you typed in the document, okay, or else the MS Word document, then attach all the remaining your educational qualifications, okay, everything to this one, and convert that one into a single PDF file, and then mail that one to this provide mail ID. And at the time of mailing, the subject of the mail must be application for the post of JRF. You have to mention like this. Okay, and candidates who are working in a government or public sector undertakings or autonomous bodies, they should definitely attach the no objection certificate from their respective department along with the application form. Okay, and no objection certificate must also be in that single PDF only. Fine. And incomplete or partially filled applications would not be accepted, and also the candidature is liable to be rejected if any mismatch is noticed. Fine. The candidates need to submit the application form along with the certificates and testimonials in soft copies, scanned copies only. I mean, you should not take the photo by your mobile phones. Okay, those things will not be accepted. You have to take only the scanned copies, and then you have to mail to this one. Okay, and important informations are given here. The last date for submitting the application is 9th July 2021, and the walk-in interview will be conducted. Walk-in interview means, generally the meaning of walk-in interview is anybody. The candidates who are having the PG qualification in CSIT as well as ECE, anybody can able to attend for this one through video conferencing. Okay, SMS email will be sent to the shortlisted candidates regarding the date and time of the interview. Fine. And only candidates who have submitted the applications along with supported documents and shortlisted after scrutiny will allowed for the walk-in interview. Fine. So here, after sending your applications through the provide mail ID, again they will scrutiny, guys, and whoever the shortlisted candidates are there, they will be called for the interview. Okay, actually the meaning of walk-in interview is different, but they kept this one as a walk-in interview. And candidate should be in possession of valid email ID and active mobile number for contact throughout the recruitment process. And the age limit is at 28 years. It should not mean some relaxation is there, 5 years for SC/ST and 3 years for the OBC candidates. And fellowship emoluments is 31,000 rupees per month for JRF with HRA also available and medical facilities as per the rules. While coming to the tenure, the maximum tenure is of 5 years, initial 2 years, and then it will be subsequently elevated to the SRF as per the DRDO guidelines. Fine. The selected candidates need to bring the original certificates of proof of date of birth, mark sheet, gate or net certificate if any, degree certificate, caste, and testimonials, and a set of self-attested copies for verification. Fine. And TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. Anyhow, it is an online walk-in interview, so TADA is not necessary. And last date for submission of application along with supporting documents in a single PDF through email at hrd@itr.drdo.in is 9th July 2021. Fine. So here the application form is also given, and I will provide this link, okay, this PDF link in the description box of this video, guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity belongs to these departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.